Hello everybody and welcome to my kitchen. We are here today because it occurs to me that I have to teach you all motherfuckers how to make a cup of gas station coffee. You heard that right. Imagine this, you're having a wonderful day, you're driving around, you stop at a gas station, you come to a gas station, and you want yourself a cup of coffee. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Grab your muggy thing. Normally it's a piece of paper cup in that case, or a styrofoam cup or whatever the heck. And I know this isn't a gas station coffee machine, so just use your beautiful, colorful imagination and pretend that it is. Normally you pull the lever cronk, okay? But that's just about the only difference. You grab the sugar, you take the sugar, if you add sugar to your coffee, I'm a guy who adds sugar, you take your sugar and you put it in first before you pour the coffee. This is very important because you can see how much sugar you put in here before you pour the coffee, and this way you're not one of those motherfuckers that sits there at the gas station pouring coffee, putting in sugar, and then going, needs more coffee, needs more sugar. Okay, so you put the sugar in first so you're not a dickhead standing there blocking the coffee machine from everybody else from using it or whatever. You add the sugar, you put the coffee in the thing. If you need to push a magical button or pull a magical lever, you do that. In my case, we're pushing a magical button to receive juice of life. You pour the coffee. I like this mug, it's the best mug on the planet. Look at that juice! So you made your cup of coffee by pulling a little bit of a lever, dispensing some drink into some sugar. While you're pouring the drink, you could actually swish the coffee around. That would actually mix the sugar up. Anyways, pour off the coffee into the cup. You set it down. You grab a spoon, stir it around just a little wee bit. And now if you add milk or creamer, you add milk or creamer. Just a dash will do. That was actually a lot. But the point is that you want coffee with milk, not milk with coffee. You're paying for coffee, not for milk. Then you take it, you stir it around some until it's a nice texture, color, even. Guess what? Since we poured the sugar in first, it's been dissolved. Since we stirred it around, the sugar is dissolved. And then we poured milk in, and it's a nice, perfect mixture. If you were one of those sick fuckers that puts cream in first, and then sugar, and then coffee, go to hell. And if you're other half of the people out there on the planet who pour the coffee in first, and then sit there going with the coffee for half an hour to get it perfect, fuck you. This is how you make coffee. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe and eat ass. Okay, maybe not, but make sure it's clean first. But subscribe, yes. Thank you. Bye-bye.